Come forward. जहां मर्जी आ जाओ. आप सीधे बैठिए बेटा. सात्विक सीधे बैठिए. हाँ जी, shall we start now? Here online. Ready? Okay, students. Let us start getting to know plants. बच्चे, we see so many plants around ourselves, right? There are variety of plants around us. Aniket Verma, kindly call me in the evening. Aniket Verma. Okay, let us see. Bache, these plants that we see around us, they are of different sizes. Based on their sizes, we can categorize them as herbs, shrubs, and trees. So what are herbs? क्या होते हैं herbs? Can anybody tell? Very small plants, green colored, tender stems. Green. Satvik, are you writing? Green colored, tender stems. Right? Not branches, right? May live for one season or annual. Now next is shrubs. Shrubs have somewhat woody stem, medium size. Shrub, medium size, branch at the base. इसकी ब्रांचेस कहाँ पे होती हैं? बेस, राइट? बुशी होता है ये, बुशी एट द बेस, राइट? Is that clear? Then come to trees. Thick, hard, strong stem, which is known as trunk. Trunk has an outer covering, look forward, called bark, right? Branches at the top. Branches at the top. बेस से ब्रांचिंग नहीं होती इसकी, right? Then apart from these three categories, there are two more types. They are climbers and creepers. Right? What are climbers? Can anybody tell? Anmol. ऐसे नहीं. In English, climbers are plants with very tender green colored stems that cannot stand upright. They need support of something. They climb either on the wall or take the support of a wooden stick or of some plant. They are known as climbers. Example, money plant, grapevine, right? Then come creepers. What are creepers? Yes, Pranav? No. Yes, yes, Jashan. ठीक है. Stand upright. It grows. It spread along the ground, right? It creep on the ground. That is why name creeper. They have actually heavy fruit, right? Stem cannot bear the weight of the fruit, so they fall down and cream. Watermelon hai, pumpkin hai. Okay, Bhavya, do you have any doubt? Arjun, wear the mask.
मैम डाउट नहीं था, वो इसकी डेफिनेशन ही बतानी थी.
Okay ji. Okay students, hope it is clear to all. Next is, let us start parts of a plant body. Next topic is parts of a plant body. Who will draw this? Anyone else? Parts of a plant body. हाँ जी अर्जुन आ जाओ. Everybody start drawing in your notebooks also side by side. Chalks ला के रखना कल से. Okay. Draw it. Everybody start drawing. Parts of a plant body. Start drawing. You don't have to. Dip Kirti, you have entered the wrong class. फ्रूट रह गया. कोई बात नहीं. हाँ जी, थैंक यू. चलिए. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, these are the parts of a plant body. Hopefully you can see this. He has drawn the good diagram. So plant body is divided into two main parts: root system and shoot system. So students, the part which grows below the ground is root system. It consists of roots. These roots absorb water and minerals from the soil. The part of plant that grows above the ground is shoot system. This shoot system, it involves stem as the main part. This stem bears flower, fruit, leaf, and buds. They all play important role. They have different functions that we will be doing right in this chapter. Hopefully everybody has draw it. Wait. Draw it. Hurry up everybody. Draw parts of plant body. Hurry up, then we will be starting next topic. We'll be doing roots today. Hurry up everybody. Yuvraj, Virmani, you also called me today in the evening, right? Everybody draw it, label it properly. Kanishk, sit properly. हाँ जी बेटा. हाँ जी. Get up. पीछे नहीं देखना आपने. You also sit properly. हाँ जी, is it done? Shall we move further? Hopefully it is done by all. Let us start our next topic, that is root. Bache, what is a root? Root is a part of plant that grows under the ground. So there are two types of root, taproot, fibrous root. Right? What is taproot? It has a single main root. Rectilinear कहाँ से आ गया? It has a single main root, right, that grows at the base of the stem. There are many side roots or lateral roots that grow from it. These are lateral roots, right? At the tip of the main root, there is a thimble-like structure which is known as root cap. Right? ये जो structure है. The function of root cap is to protect the root tip from damaging by the soil particles, right? Then roots have root hair also, like this. These root hair, what does they do? They help in absorption of water. They provide more surface area for the absorption of water, right? Then come to fibrous root. What are fibrous roots? They are cluster of roots that grow from the one main point at the base of the stem. They do not have any one root. They do not have any main root. They do not have any lateral root. All the roots grow from one point in a cluster. right? Then these have root hair. They have root hair to increase the absorption of water from the soil particles. Like this, they have root hair. Is that clear? There is not main root. Example of taproot is carrot, radish, balsam, pulses. In case of fibrous root, example is grass, mint, right? And onion. Okay? Marigold also. Marigold. फ्लावर के मैरीगोल्ड का प्लांट नहीं होता, कल्ला फ्लावर ग्रो करता है. Draw it, then we will be doing the functions of roots. Right? Hurry up, draw it. After this, we will be moving to functions of roots. Hurry up, Satvik, you are not drawing. Hurry up, everybody. Wait. Okay. Coming to functions. Number 1. What is the function of root? They absorb water and minerals from soil. Right? Number 2, hold the plant firmly. Number 3, bind the soil particles. हाँ जी, soil particles bind करने से क्या होता है? Prevent soil erosion. Right? Then next is, some roots can be eaten. Right? Some roots, they store the food. Plants, they store the food in their roots. The roots become fleshy and they can be eaten. Right? Do it, hurry up. Hurry up, students. Hurry up. If there is any doubt regarding this, you can ask me. Roots become fleshy and they can be eaten. Right? If any of you is having any kind of doubt in roots, you can ask me right now. हाँ जी, नहीं क्या ऋत्विक, क्या बोले आप? मुझे लगा ये इसके से कुछ पूछ रहे हो. नो मोर टॉक. एनी अदर डाउट बेटा? वो आज नहीं होगा क्लास, स्टेम स्टार्ट करेंगे. राइट? अगर आज टाइम हुआ तो. अदरवाइज बेल होने वाली है। हाँ तो कितने बजे होती है बेल? 15 45 45 हाँ तो 45 पे होगा ना, 30 मिनट्स।
15 plus 5 20 20 plus 30
क्या हुआ?
45
कैलकुलेट द टाइम बेटा प्रॉपरली। डू आई नीड टू टेल योर मैथ्स टीचर?
plus 35 ये पे 0 यहाँ पे 1 हाँ वही मैंने कहा ना 3 और है
चलिए हो गया, लिख रहे हो? राइट इट, हरी अप। हाँ जी, टैप रूट इज प्रेजेंट इन कैरेट, रेडिश, balsam, हाँ जी। 20 मिनट क्यों पड़े? 40 हो गए हैं। हो गया सात्विक? Shall I raise this? Anybody else who is left? Done. Let us start. Stem. बच्चे, what is stem? Part of plant body that grows above the ground. That grows above the ground, right? It bears many other parts like branches, flower, fruit and leaves, right? So पहले हम function लिखते हैं. First function. It holds the plant firmly, upright. Holds या keep the plant upright, right? Then number 2, it transport water and minerals from root to all part of plant. लिख सकते हो? हाँ जी, it transport water and minerals from roots to all parts of plant. To all parts of plant, right? Then number 3, it bear branches, flower and leaf. Then number 4, some stems are fleshy and can be eaten. Fleshy stems sugar cane है, right? Hurry up. Wait. Do it. After that, we will be doing the diagram. Hurry up. हो गया जी?